Hello children, welcome to Mount Literacy School. In this video, we are going to learn about synthesis of information in terms of uses of computer. In this chapter, what we are going to learn, we have discussed already earlier, uses of computers in various fields, purposes and products, types of computers used for different purposes, synthesis of information. There are four main categories. Out of that, we have discussed already two: standalone applications and internet applications. So today we will discuss other two categories, special purpose and embedded applications. First, embedded application. Functions of some electronic devices are controlled by a small computer embedded in the device. The software on the small computer is called an embedded application. Okay, you may be using all such devices at home also, in microwave, in washing machine. You can see that some digitalized panels are there, some small programs are there. Okay, so device by device some features are different. So that applications are called embedded applications. The embedded application can be used to control the device in which it has been embedded only. Categorization of embedded devices. Home appliances, smart cars, self-diagnostic devices, robots, global positioning systems, electronic reading devices. All this comes in the category of embedded devices. Appliances like digital camera, washing machines, video games, all this we are using at home. Smart cards, okay, identity card, credit card, all this also comes in the category of embedded applications. Self-diagnostic devices like blood sugar pressure monitor, blood pressure monitor. So all this also come in the category of embedded application. Apart from that, some robots, global positioning system, GPS, okay, Kindle like devices. So all this are embedded applications. Okay, some examples of embedded applications like digicam, robot, microwave, blood pressure level machine, all this. Next, special purpose applications. Some devices or applications are meant to be used for specific purpose only. Such applications are called special purpose. Many of the applications in the embedded are special purpose applications as they are used for specific purpose. One item may be in multiple categories also. I noticed that some devices are used to record blood glucose level at home. It seems that these are also examples of embedded application as well as special purpose application. Okay, there, though it is a small device, some small program is there, but it is for that particular purpose only. That's why we can say it is coming in the category of both special purpose and embedded. Categorization of special purpose application. Medicine, sonography machines, X-ray machines, CT scan and MRI scan you may see at the hospitals. Okay, that comes in the category of special purpose applications. For weather forecasting, okay, like tsunami, cyclone, rainfall, earthquake, so we'll get the intimation about it. Then defense, missile targeting, mine detection, unmanned aircraft control. So in that way we can save the lives of the soldiers by using such type of special applications. Cellular communication, connectivity to cell phone users, provide customer data to service providers, tracking signals by mobile service providers. You may see mobile towers at particular places. So that is meant for special purpose for cellular communication only. Space applications, plan space missions, process that data, the data for space research, monitor and control satellites. Okay, so such type of applications comes in the category of special purpose applications. Some examples of special purpose applications: space, defense, communication and medical areas. Many more are there, you can observe surrounding you. What does synthesizing mean? You followed a step-by-step process and logical reasoning to organize the vast data that you gathered from various resources. This whole process is called synthesis. Okay, what are the steps of synthesis of data? First is gathering information. Second is organizing the information by. How can we organize the information? Categorization using mind maps to find the main categories. Just like here we have done standalone, internet, embedded, special purpose applications. And second, analyzing the information to identify which information belongs to which category. Okay, so we'll go to the example to understand it. For example, here some names are given: grapes, tomato, potato, onion, apple, banana, cabbage. So here first of all we'll observe the information, then we'll divide it into categories, and then we place that names in that particular categories. For example, by seeing once that data, I can observe that here two types of data is there. We can categorize it into fruits and vegetables. Okay, so I have two categories, fruits and vegetable. Then I put the data accordingly. Okay, for example, grapes, so that will come in category of fruit. Then tomato, that will come in the category of vegetable, and so on. So in two steps we can do synthesis of data. First of all, decide the category and then place the data accordingly. Next, multiple ways of categorization. Information is grouped and categorized for better understanding and recall. Information can be categorized in multiple ways based on the features and relationships identified in the data. There is no one correct way for categorization as long as your reason for grouping items in one way or the other is clear. The number of categories can vary. Labels for each category can be selected based on the common features of items within the category. One item can also belong to multiple categories. Okay, here earlier we have seen that how to synthesize the information, but there are multiple ways of categorization. There is no any one correct way. Okay, one can categorize in one way, other can categorize in other way, but the intention or category should be clear. Okay, the same example will go through this in different way: grapes, tomato, potato, onion, apple, banana, cabbage. So here if we think little differently, then we can categorize data in some different ways. For example, if I think about how they in what category of trees they belong. Okay, so if I divide it in the category of tree, shrubs, climbers, roots, then it will come in different categories. For example, banana and apple comes in the category of trees, shrubs, tomato and cabbage, grapes will come in the category of climbers, onion and potato can come in the category of roots. So children, you have seen that there is no any single way of categorization, but whatever category you define, it should be labeled clearly, and whatever things you grouped under that category should belong to that category. Okay, and it should be common. Some features should be common up to that. So now you know four main categories of uses of computer, that is standalone, internet, embedded, special purpose applications. How to synthesize the information, what are the different ways of categorization that we have seen through example. Okay, so children, keep observing surrounding you, what are the different devices you see, what are the things you see, try to categorize this. Okay, till then, goodbye and thank you.